So cool, so cool, so cool. Ooh, so cool, so cool, so cool. Yeah, so cool, so cool, so cool. Ooh, so cool. Yeah, so cool. Yeah, 100,000 on my wrist. I got it.
What's happening, Wolfpack and Cool Kids? It's your butt. Citizen Cool and all. Back again with another video. And as you can see, I got a lot of money right here. But it's not for me and it's not for you. It's for the kids at the party. We had a challenge. We said 5-on-5 basketball. The 5 that wins is gonna get a prize, and this is the prize. Now the 5 that lost, they have to be spectators. Yes, as if it was Call of Duty or Fortnite and they got dropped. Now they're just watching. That's right, so I got the winners in the house and I have the losers outside the house watching through the glass screen. Let's take a walk downstairs real quick and show them what they about to win. Y'all ready for this? Yeah! Hold on. Bruno has to go outside. He's gonna be acting crazy.
Oh my God.
Hold on. Where they at though? Where the heck y'all come from? Y'all ain't getting none of this money. Get out of here. Taking showers. It smells doo-doo in here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. D. Hurry up and get that money. What's that? Look at Jalea. Come on, guys, you can do it. I see a bunch of shadows looking in the house. You guys ready for some more? Hurry up because I'm about to let the losers in now. Are you guys ready for your chance?
Okay.
No? Yeah. Okay, you guys don't sound like it. Give me a countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's so quiet down there. They're so focused. Is there any other kids outside? No. Y'all don't care. Whoa, y'all cleaned up fast. Hold on, y'all. It's more. Get that money, y'all. You guys done?
Nope.
You guys got it all? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is hilarious. In the comment section right now, do you wish you was here? And if you was, would you get the most money? We're gonna do a count to see who got the most money after this. You guys look like you guys are having fun. Was that Fuego or what? No. That's y'all's. Y'all get to keep it. Do what you want with it. Put it somewhere. I don't care. It's not mine. It's y'all's, all right? You have, what the? How much you got? Count it up. Count it up. Count it up. Count it up. Count it. Come on, guys. Count that money.
Oh,
no stealing. No stealing. Let's see who got the most. You ain't got none?
Nope.
$2. Janelle? Nothing? Oh, man. Oh. You know how to count, right? Don't look like it. You guys are, what the? You got the most. D. Come on, Tyson, where you at, boy? I see you, Daniel. D. Guys, this was so successful that I pulled out